Welcome to another build video. This is part 8 of the series. In this series, we put a 1000cc GSXR motorcycle engine into this 1973 Fiat 850 Spider. In the last video, we modified the hardtop, built the roll bar, and built a firewall. In this video, we're going to be doing some work at the front of the car. We need to install a fuel cell and a radiator. And as you can see, we don't have a lot of space to do that. We also need to make an opening on the front of the car so that air can get to the radiator. And just as a reminder, I don't have any plans drawn up for this car. I'm really just making it up as I go along. So at this point, I honestly don't know how this is going to come out. But let's get into it. Walter! Walter, Walter, Walter. Hey, buddy. Okay, so I'm really happy with the way this is coming out. I've been looking forward to cutting the hole in this hood for a very long time, but I got kind of nervous right before it happened. I wasn't sure if I was going to go through with it or not, but I really like the way that it looks. I think it came out great. I'm also very happy with the way everything fit. The radiator fits nicely. There's still plenty of room to have the cooling lines. The fuel cell fits nicely. Overall, I'm just really happy with the way this is coming out. There's still a lot of work to be done on this car before I can start driving it, but man, it's really coming along great. I'm extremely happy with it. Probably just a few more build videos and we're going to be driving this thing. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys. Now I just need to figure out how to make all of this work.